Here we are at our hardscrabble field, and we're going to show you that we can take off a plane and land it within 200 feet. Now that's kind of about the minimum that we ought to think about. We have a lot more space here, but we've marked on the runway the a 200-foot area in that. So we're going to now take the plane off. And it took off like in 40 feet. Now the pilot's going to make his approach, and so you can see that there's some areas that he'll be flying the plane over that shouldn't have houses or people. Here he comes in on the landing approach. And he touched down at about 10 feet inside the 0 mark, and he's now at about the 100-foot mark. So it took him about 90 feet to land. He took off in 40 feet, he landed in 90 feet. And the width of the width that he landed in was about 40 feet wide. So if you're looking at a space within your park that we can fly model airplanes in, we would think that if a 200-foot long by 40-foot wide level area like this would be fine. Now you'll notice that there are scrub bushes around here. We're flying over it. We're flying over some different terrain. It doesn't have to be 100% level. If you land your plane out there, you'll find out about it. But this is we're just trying to show you that that if you have an unused road or something like that in your park area, we can probably take our planes off and land them on it. Thank you.
That's the 450. Yep. T-Rex. Oh, you mean the body, no,
the chassis. In the T-Rex chassis.
The T-Rex 450. Oh, the one he bought at the show.
Hi, I'm Bob Schumann. I'm a member of the Sonoran Desert Flyers. It's a radio control club located here in Oro Valley, Arizona. We're at the Naranja Park, which is a 213-acre park that the town of Oro Valley has. And we have a license, if you can see this on this, read the fine print there. We have a license with the town of Oro Valley to fly electric-powered model aircraft only. And another requirement is you have to be a member of the Sonoran Desert Flyers, which has a requirement that you're a member of the Academy of Model Aeronautics.
Okay.